What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, people across the world are becoming millionaires without coding, without employees, and without traditional businesses, all because of artificial intelligence? A 23-year-old from India built an AI-powered Shopify store that now generates over $40,000 a month. A single creator in the US uses ChatGPT and Midjourney to create modest automated YouTube channels, earning six figures in passive income. Most people have no idea how massive this AI gold rush really is. But in 2025, the gap between those who use AI and those who ignore it is turning into the biggest wealth divide in history. In this video, we'll uncover 5 real ways AI is minting new millionaires in 2025, the people already cashing in, and, most importantly, how you can start positioning yourself to join them. From AI-driven investing and automated startups to freelancers scaling income with smart tools, we'll break down the exact systems that are rewriting the rules of money. So grab your notebook because this isn't hype. It's the blueprint of the next generation of wealth. Let's start with one of the most powerful wealth creators of all time, investing. For decades, Wall Street firms used complex algorithms and teams of analysts. But now, AI-powered trading bots are doing that job faster, smarter, and cheaper. Tools like Numerai, Kavout, and Trade Ideas use machine learning to predict stock trends, analyze sentiment, and even simulate thousands of portfolios in seconds. Hedge funds are already using AI models to outperform the market. In 2024, Bloomberg reported that funds powered by AI achieved an average of 14% higher returns than traditional methods. Here's the trick. You don't need to build your own bot. You can leverage AI tools like Composer.trade or Alpaca.ai to create automated strategies. No coding needed. AI isn't just managing money anymore. It's making millionaires by managing it better than humans. The next millionaire wave is coming from AI entrepreneurs, individuals launching lean, automated businesses using AI tools instead of employees. Meet Sean Patel, who built an AI copywriting agency using ChatGPT and Midjourney. His clients? Over 500 small businesses needing marketing content. His overhead? Practically zero. Another example, Mixo.io, an AI startup that helps people launch full websites in minutes. It grew to $2 million in revenue in less than a year, built by a single developer. The fastest growing businesses today use AI as leverage. Instead of hiring, they automate. Instead of scaling manually, they plug into APIs. In 2025, entrepreneurship isn't about having capital. It's about knowing which AI tools can replace human hours. Freelancers are quietly becoming the new AI millionaires. A single video editor using AI tools like Runway, Pika, or Descript can now handle the work of an entire team. A writer using Notion AI or Claude can deliver 10 times the output of a traditional freelancer. Jacob, a freelancer on Upwork, used AI to scale his video editing agency. With automation tools, he went from $2,000 to $30,000 a month in less than 6 months. Don't compete against AI, compete with it. The freelancers winning right now are those who combine AI efficiency with human creativity. E-commerce is exploding, and AI is fueling it like rocket fuel. Tools like AdCreative.ai, ChatGPT, and Shopify Magic now handle ad writing, product descriptions, and customer support 24/7. Take Alex Hormozy's model. Use AI to automate repetitive marketing tasks, scale customer outreach, and analyze conversions in real time. Even small dropshippers are now using AI chatbots to boost revenue. One AI-powered store owner shared he saved 60 hours per week and increased profits by 40%, all through automation. Focus on AI customer experience. Personalize, automate, and scale. The entrepreneurs doing this are quietly building 7-figure online brands. The most creative AI millionaires aren't just using tools, they're building them. Developers on platforms like Hugging Face and OpenAI's GPT store are earning recurring revenue from AI models and custom prompts. Even non-coders are cashing in by selling AI prompt packs for ChatGPT or Midjourney. generating thousands per month. You don't have to invent the next ChatGPT. You just need to spot a problem and create a simple AI solution that saves people time or money. In the new economy, code is optional. Creativity is currency. Experts from McKinsey predict that AI could add up to $4.4 trillion annually to the global economy by 2030. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million jobs could be affected, but the smart ones will use this shift to their advantage. The next big wave? AI agents that autonomously run businesses. Personal AI financial advisors that manage your portfolio 24/7. AI creators that design, write, and sell products automatically. We're entering an age where individuals can control systems once reserved for billion-dollar corporations. The question is no longer, will AI replace jobs? It's, will you let it replace you, or will you make it work for you? But let's be clear, not every AI opportunity is gold. Scams, fake AI, get-rich-quick courses, and shady investments are everywhere. Smart people build skills, not schemes. Learn the tools, test them, build real value. Because while AI can make you rich, blind hype can make you broke just as fast. The AI revolution is here, Madam, and it's creating millionaires faster than any technology in history. The only question is whether you'll watch it happen or be part of it. Start experimenting with AI tools today. Learn, build, automate, because the future won't wait. If you want to stay ahead of the wave, hit that subscribe button and join us as we uncover the real strategies behind AI and money. The next millionaire could be you. Now that you've seen how AI is creating millionaires across the world, let's talk about the most important part: how you can start today. The truth is, you don't need to be a tech genius or have a massive budget. All you need is curiosity, consistency, and the right tools. Here's your step-by-step AI wealth roadmap. Step 1. Pick your lane. Are you a creator, investor, freelancer, or business builder? AI has unique opportunities for each. Creators can use tools like Runway, Synthesia, or Opus Clip to generate content faster than ever. Investors can use AI-powered platforms like Composer or Magnify to optimize portfolios. Freelancers? You can use ChatGPT, Claude, or Notion AI to multiply your output. Step 2. Automate one thing. Pick one repetitive task in your daily work and replace it with AI. Email writing, content drafting, market research, even video editing. This alone can save you 10+ hours a week. Step 3. Learn, don't chase trends. Forget the AI gold rush mindset. Focus on building real skills around AI, prompt engineering, automation, data analysis, AI strategy. Those who master these skills will be the consultants, freelancers, and founders of the next decade. Step 4. Build something. Even a small side project. A blog automated by AI, a YouTube channel, an AI-based service. The experience you gain now will be worth 100 times more in a year. Because the truth is, we're not early in AI anymore, but we're not late either. The window is still wide open if you start today. Here's what separates AI millionaires from everyone else. They don't just use AI, they think like it. They experiment fast, fail fast, and learn fast. They see opportunity in problems most people complain about. The new millionaires don't measure wealth in money alone. They measure it in leverage. Every AI tool they use gives them exponential reach, productivity, and creativity. Let me tell you something powerful. In 2010, the smartphone created influencers. In 2020, crypto created traders. And in 2025, AI is creating intelligent creators and business builders. But only the curious will win. Those who try, test, and apply will own the next era of the digital economy. So if you're still watching this, you're already ahead of 99% of people. Now it's time to act. Because in a world powered by AI, the most valuable asset is not money, not time, but adaptability. learn fast, move faster, and build something the future will thank you for. This is the start of the AI millionaire generation. Will you be part of it?